Hey folks, Joey Virga Realty. I'm coming to you. I wanted to shoot a little live video today, kind of stuck in traffic, trying to get over this bridge, and sun's in my face. But I wanted to go live real quick, shoot a video, and tell you guys. I got an email yesterday. It was pretty cool. It was a guy that I work with. He does credit repair, and he helps people get their mortgages by getting their credit up, basically. So, you know, the topic of the email was basically how to boost your credit by up to 50 points without using any money, which is pretty intriguing. It's basically for someone who has credit cards already, somebody who already has credit cards and has a good standing with the credit card provider as well. Because all it is, it's just a simple phone call. Say it's Capital One, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, whoever it is, it doesn't really matter. You can go in and you can call them and you can ask them to raise your credit limit. So just say you got a $500 credit card with Wells Fargo, then you could turn around and um, hang on a second, I got people doing stuff here. Anyways, you could turn around and ask them, from your $500 limit, instead of doing 500, could they bump it to 600? Could they bump it to 1,000? And basically what it is, by them raising your credit limit and then reporting that to the credit bureau that they've given you more credit, what it's going to do for your credit score is it's basically like showing off that you are in good standing with the creditor, you make your payments on time, and that they've thought so highly of you that they extended your limit. And by them extending your limit and seeing that you have more available credit, what that's going to do is it's going to boost your score for a maximum of, let's say around 50 points is what he was saying in the email. But the moral of the story here is, if maybe you're looking at a 3.5% down payment loan, maybe FHA or something of that nature that requires some down payment, and you're that close to maybe getting an FHA, maybe or USDA or a non-down payment loan, but you need an extra 25 points on your credit score, this might be the ideal way to do it. And it's not that it needs to be raised, and give you a $30,000 limit, just that they're giving you more and giving you more credit limit. Now, the other caveat to this that you guys need to keep in mind, it's really, really important, is don't ever use over 20% of the card's credit. So if you got a $100 credit card, we ain't spending over $20. You want to let that $20 bill post in the statement post, and they'll mail you the invoice. And then once you get the invoice, then you pay the $20. Don't pay it off right when you get home. I have heard of people going to the gas station, get a tank of gas, and they go home, get on internet banking, and then mail the payment right off. Then it'll wash it out before the statement post. You want the statement to post, then to send it off to the credit bureau, you owe $20, and then for you to make the payment on time, and then to report back to the bureau that you made your payment on time, and you start pinging your credit score. And by you pinging it and showing that what I call positive history on a credit report, that's another way to kind of boost it up a little bit. But I'm about to go live again in a few minutes. It has to do with credit, but I'm going to do a separate video for it. I'm also posting these on YouTube. But if you got any questions or anything, shoot me a private message. I'll try to get everybody answered, and I'm going to try to shoot as many videos as possible. Just culture today doesn't like reading as much, so I'm going to shoot some more videos and answer some of these questions. So stay tuned, and I appreciate you watching the video. Again, Joey Virga Realty.